It's Kitchen Courses with Kate and Eric.
Hi, Eric.
Happy 2018, Kate.
Yay! Happy 2018, Eric.
Let's talk about these birthday cocktails. They're not shots, they're birthday cocktails.
We are doing a birthday cocktail. So again, we are doing January. We're doing all of January's episodes kind of in honor of Gary's birthday. Gary's my husband, and he has a milestone birthday, and it's also the and so for those of you who follow football, it's 50-second being played in Minneapolis this year. So the drink today is in honor of the hosting team, which is the Minnesota Vikings. It's Gary's favorite team. He loves them. So we are making a purple people eater, which is an actual cocktail that's out there, and it also is kind of a riff on a Purple Rain cocktail. So the Purple Rain cocktail was in honor of Prince. I kind of changed up some of the ingredients, so I'm calling it the Purple People Eater. And I learned that the Vikings defensive line from the late 60s to the kind of mid to late 70s, they were also called the Purple People Eaters because they were so good at defending the line.
Oh my.
Is that fascinating?
Isn't that cannibalism? So we have a recipe for a drink.
You can do 4 cocktails at a time. So, we're gonna just start with one. So we are doing some white rum because Gary loves rum.
Is that 1.5 ounces?
Yep, we're doing. So this is 1, and then this is the half. It's 1.5 ounces. And to that, we are gonna do. So we're doing 3 shots of some pineapple juice. So this is for all the Minnesotans out there who want some kind of tropical yumminess in the midst of the frigid winter, which it's pretty cold out there in Minneapolis.
Oh my.
Oh my is right. So 3 shots of pineapple juice. We're gonna do a shot of blue curaçao.
There must be some Toros in the atmosphere. Bring it on.
Nope.
I might cut that out.
Like, nope. And so you have the blue. So in order to make it turn purple, we are gonna do a half a shot of grenadine. Okay. And I need crazy purple.
Ice in your shaker, right?
There is ice in my shaker. Yep. So we're gonna put it in there. Shake it up. So I wanted to serve this as a martini, and when I made it for Gary, he thought it would be better over ice. So you could totally serve this as a martini. I think it tasted lovely in that way, but he liked it on the rocks. So I'm serving it on the rocks for him.
Ooh.
Look at that purple yumminess. So we're doing that, and then I'm gonna float a beautiful blackberry just kind of like on the top there in honor of the purple people eater.
I like that it has, for lack of a better term, I tend to describe it as a sort of powdery look to it.
Yeah.
As opposed to just sort of being like a neon purple liquid.
Yes. No, it's not neon. You're not drinking like Gatorade here. Like you're not drinking the grape, the grape neon Gatorade.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, and I think it does. It has like a little frostiness, which again, like it's like the icy Minneapolis winters. And yay to the Vikings. So the good thing you can mix this drink ahead of time, and you can have, again, if you click on the comments section below, you'll be able to see the recipe, and we'll have instructions on how to make 4.
Kate, do you know why some people prefer stirred over shaken?
I have an idea, but I have a feeling that you know the reason. So what's the reason?
So when you shake, it melts the ice more, and like the ice can sort of chip and water your drink down.
Yep.
Whereas when it's stirred, you're getting less of that melting action.
Got it. Cheers. I'll let you take a picture of that one.
Oh, that pineapple.
What do you think?
My gosh.
Do you like it?
I'd eat that purple person.
Purple People Eater, in honor of the Vikings. Gary and having something purple in your hand at a party. It's fun.
Sometimes you need a little purple in your life.
Sometimes you do.
We are relocating from our apartment, so this is actually our last month in this soundstage. It's the farewell tour of this locale.
And he ordered us new shirts, and the logo is designed by Eric.
If you're a
So cool.
super fan, you can order a shirt on Redbubble. I'll put a link in the description below.